Kuldeep Chaudhary welcomes you all to the CAD Desk online support videos. Today we are going to discuss or we are going to learn about how to make a block and how to insert a block and block editor. Before starting the video, let me tell you that what is a block. A block can be defined as a collection of the objects that are combined into a single named object, which means if you want to insert multiple objects at a time or make multiple objects a single selected entity, then you have to make a block out of them. So let's start guys, how to make a block. Now you can clearly see that all of these objects are not a single selected entity. These are selected individually. Now I am making the block. To make a block, I just have to type P and then enter. Then this window will open in front of me. Then I have to specify the name of the block first and then pick point. I give the name of the block at desk, click on the pick point, and then I am going to specify a pick point, then select the object. I am selecting the object here by green window selection. After this I have to press enter button. So after pressing enter button, my block is can be visible in front of the name of the block, and then I have to just press the OK button to complete my block creation. Now these you can clearly see that these all of these objects are become a single selected entity so this is a block. Now if you move them, they move together. Now I am deleting the button to show you guys that how to insert a block. Now I delete the block and I am now making a rectangle because I am going to insert my block near this rectangle. So I need some object. So I am making a rectangle here. Now I am going to insert my block near this rectangle. So insert a block, I have to just type I in the command prompt and then enter. Then I specify the name of the block, then press OK. Now specify the interaction point and then by interaction point by mouse click. So guys, you clearly see that my block will inserted near the object where I want to insert it. Now we will move towards the block editor. For, for block editor you have to type BE or just double click on the block. Block editor. Let me tell you something about the block editor. In a block definition, actions and parameters provided rules for the behavior of a block once it is inserted into the drawing. So I inserted this block into the drawing. Depending on the specified block geometry or the parameters, you can associate an action to the parameters. The parameter is represented as a grip in the drawing. So I am going to give the parameters to the block in order to apply some actions on it. So for applying move action, I need to specify a point. I need to give a point parameter. Parameter is given, then I have to select the action. Now I am selecting the move action. First select the parameter, then I have to select the object, then enter, then save the block definition. Then I have to save the block definition, then close the block editor. Now when I click on the block, I can differently see a point where my parameter is applied, and you can you can apply the action which you have defined in the actions on that parameter. So I define the move action there on my point parameter, so I can use it in our drawing. Now I'm again going into the block editor to specify or give another action to my block visibility. Now I am giving the visibility parameter to make a block visible in some particular required views. Like if you make a block in which contains three views, top, bottom and left view, or top, side or front view, and if you want at a time a single view should be viewed by a single view would be displayed on the screen, so you can use this parameter. Click on make visible, then select those objects which you want to make visible in that particular view, and then select those objects which you want to make invisible in that particular view. Okay. Okay, I'm just repeating the process now. Save the changes, click on save the changes, then close the block editor definition. Now my parameters are seeing, you can see my parameters are here, and which view you selected from this arrow, the view selected by you is only visible in my viewport, and the others will be disappeared as I described there in the block editor definition. So now I am going to show you another action here by applying different parameter. I just enter BE for block editor. Now I am applying linear parameter, and then action scale stretch. I'm using here stretch parameters, stretch action, and the parameter need for stretch action is linear. First select the parameter and then select the dimension which you want to stretch. Now save the changes and close the block editor definition. Now you can see there is a arrowhead showing there, and by clicking on it or applying drag action on it, I can scale it, or I can stretch it. I can stretch it in horizontal direction. Okay, so these three parameters and three actions are, I think you understand all of them. Now we are moving towards fourth action, flip action. For this I have to choose the parameter flip, and then click. Just I am giving the action parameter flip. Now I am choosing the action flip. First select the flip parameter, then after applying all of the uh, parameters, you have to save the block editor definition, then out. Now you can visibly see the how the flip parameter will work in my block editor definition. So thank you guys. I hope you understand how to edit a block, create a block, or how to insert a block in a drawing. So thank you guys. Bye.